Hello, are you going to office now?
I will go to office after an hour.
Your breakfast is ready. You come to the dining table.
You go, I'm coming. Breakfast is ready if you don't say it. Don't rush him, it's getting late at the office.
I give him 5 minutes of breakfast.
I will wait so long, aren't you making breakfast?
And 10 hands will cook breakfast. Even your family will have to cook breakfast. Your father will have to cook breakfast. What happens if you hire a servant? Money is too much.
The same thing for women, start in the morning.
Why do I stop making your breakfast from today?
He will not be sorry.
Breakfast and you take baby to school.
Okay, how are you? I'll go to the 5th floor. You'll go to the 4th floor. My office is on the 5th floor.
I will go to the 4th floor and do my 1-hour job in the corporate office.
Okay, you come with me to the elevator and I will meet your colleague. We work together in the corporator's office.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine. I met you after a long time. Where do you work now?
I work in a multinational company.
Okay.
Where do you work?
I work in a BRAC NGO company.
What is salary?
Financial accounts officer working in BRAC NGO. My salary is 50,000 rupees. How much is your salary?
My salary is 70,000 rupees.
No more today. Bye.
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 Hi friend, how are you? I am fine. Well, let's go to the closed restaurant. You will feed me today. I have no money, friend. Always say, friend, you don't have money, fake any food. Okay. Mama, give me 2 singaras here. Pizza burger sandwich for me and 2 singaras for you. Okay.